If you want to kiss cut your stickers perfectly every time, I am here to help because there's nothing worse than designing beautiful stickers and then running into issues with cutting them. Kiss cutting stickers is when we can individually peel them from the sticker sheet, and it's a wonderful skill to master, whether you're making your own stickers from home or different crafts too. And I'm going to walk you through the steps after I've designed my stickers to print them and then cut them and kiss cut them out. Stay tuned because I'll also share how you can get my free guide to cutting stickers too. And this is a great starting point for you, and it will help you troubleshoot some issues that you may have come up against when you've been kiss cutting yourself. Let's get started. Stickers can be made up of different elements like text or photos or clip art or other kinds of graphics or shapes. And when you finish completely designing your sticker, the next step you want to take in Cricut Design Space is to select all of those different elements of that completed sticker. And then you're going to choose to flatten them together. And this tells Cricut to only cut around the outside edge of the sticker, so it won't cut out all of the individual letters or photos or other elements at all. With this particular sticker, I have a photograph. I also have an offset that's creating that instant snap effect. And then I'm adding text and some shapes on top to make it look as if it's like an instant snap picture with some writing on top to remember a special holiday. So when I finish creating all of the different elements of the sticker, and then I've arranged the sticker so it's complete, I'm now going to select all of those different elements and then flatten it together. And it's as simple as that. Now, when you finish designing each of your stickers, we're then going to arrange them into a really good layout that's going to fit on either a letter or an A4 sized sheet of sticker paper. So you want to arrange them so it looks on screen as it will look when you then print and then cut that sticker sheet out. You'll then select all of those flattened stickers and then you will choose attach. So you're attaching them together, and this tells Cricut to keep everything in the same position on your sticker sheet when you come to print them out. Next, when we're ready to print, we're going to click Make at the top right. Check everything looks okay and then continue. And now we'll send this to printer. Now I am going to be printing on my Canon inkjet printer. I'll turn off the bleed and turn on system dialog. So now I can go into my preferences for my printer and change the print quality to high. I do like to have the best quality. After that, I can choose OK and then print and watch my stickers print out. Now it's time to position that printed sticker sheet onto your Cricut mat. So I'll be using my Cricut Joy Xtra, and I'll neatly align this onto my Cricut Joy Xtra light grip mat. And now this is ready to insert into my Joy Xtra. And it's time to now choose our cut settings. I'll be kiss cutting these stickers, remember, so I'm going to choose my favorite setting for printable sticker paper, clear, no liner, even though it's white paper with a liner. This works really well for my Joy Xtra. I'll change the pressure to less because I want to kiss cut these out, and then I can hit go after I've inserted this into my machine. And now you can see that the stickers are cutting out, and we'll test them in a moment to make sure they've kiss cut. Time for the big reveal. So let's remove the sticker sheet from the mat. But to do that, I'm turning the mat over, holding down the corner of the sticker sheet and peeling the mat away to keep the sticker sheet nice and flat, so we're not damaging or curling those stickers. Let's do a test. How have these kiss cut out? And this one is peeling up easily, a really clean cut. Now, if you have any issues and maybe your stickers haven't cut all the way through, so you can't peel them up, you could change that pressure to default instead. It does require some trial and error to make sure that you have the right settings for your machine and the sticker paper that you are using. You can get my free guide to cutting stickers too. And this is a great starting point for you, and it will help you troubleshoot some issues that you may have come up against when you've been kiss cutting yourself. So make sure you go to mimjenkinson.com/cut to download that guide. I hope this video has helped you when it comes to kiss cutting your stickers. And if you have any follow-up questions, comment below and let me know, and I'll see if I can help you in a future video. Thank you so much for watching.